ako si Aki. Ako yung asawa. Nung dumating na si Aki, naging ako na yung panganay. Para sa kaming anak. Sobrang happy nung yung changes, and ayun, of course, parang ang nagbago is parang mas naging mature ka as a person kasi you have someone na dapat ay ilulook up ka as a responsible individual, and kailangan ikaw yung maging role.
Nagbago is syempre yung ano sa home is mas naging masaya kasi may bata na pong kasama. Tapos yung mga talents na nabigay sa kanya ni Lord na syempre big responsibility din po sa amin. So mas lumaki yung responsibility bilang parents na kami, but then mas naging masaya.
Birthday, Aki! All right. Yeah. Let's go. Say less, feeling so blessed. Everything's easy like a Sunday morning. Yeah, bet, thrift store best. Dressed to impress, make them say, oh lordy. Oh, I got a swag in the step. Oh, I got the Jordan the flex. Oh, I got a swag in the step.
Happy birthday, Aki, anak, Steve. Sobrang happy namin for you at your young age, yung mga achievements na nakukuha mo. We are very grateful because God blessed us with a kid like you. We are very blessed, and my wish for you is lagi kang maging healthy, maging happy, maging positive ka lang, and maging strong ka lang, Aki, sa lahat ng mga pagdadaanan mo. Lagi lang kami nakagabay ni Dada sa iyo.
Aki, hello, happy birthday. Ang wish ni Dada sa'yo is i-enjoy mo lang yung life. Of course, we would like you to be a very good kid, matalino, responsible, mabait sa magulang, sa friends, at sa lahat ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. Always be kind with everybody. Sana mag-aral ka lang mabuti kasi ayan talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang kinabukasan.
Happy birthday, Aki! Happy birthday, Aki! Happy birthday, Aki!
Shaking up the bottle, no cap.
Happy birthday, Aki! We love you!
On the dash, yeah, shaking up the bottle, no cap. Today just keeps getting better and better.